Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell IP Blocking. Anyone can reach millions with a touch of a click. You could be a freelancer, small business owner, or simply working temporarily on a project. Google Ads and Bing Ads drive relevant traffic into your site or landing pages if you target your crowd right through successful PPC campaigns and protect your account from click fraud. How click fraud prevails in our everyday marketing strategy. Click fraud prevention has to become a basic part of your overall marketing mechanism in order for your business to avoid unnecessary loss of leads and funds. You can start protecting your business today with Clixtell user-friendly setup and easy-to-use dashboard. Clixtell is your one-stop dashboard for all your digital marketing needs. As soon as you get through the initial setup phase, Clixtell will immediately begin tracking, monitoring, and detecting each and every click in your PPC campaigns and site with optional features of website tracking and call ad tracking. Our smart learning machine abilities will optimize and block any attempt to take over by fraudulent clicks. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.